Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to start a new episode of the series that I started previously. Where I share my the developing experience of building my projects. So previously I had an idea called Swigzo, as you might already have known. But unfortunately the idea was implemented but not successfully delivered to you. Uh, so this time I'm not taking the risk, but this probably I'm moving more into the startup approach. To be honest, the idea previously I had was more of like a project because there is no way to monetize it, like to generate the money out of it. But this time, even this time, it's not a full-fledged startup idea. This is also more falls into the territory of project. But this time I'm uh, very excited actually to see how this one will go because I'm sure this will be 100% delivered to you because there are nothing I mean what we say like the issues that we faced previously. Those kind of issues won't be faced this time because we won't be using any third party services. Everything will be built from ground up from scratch from me, as is like more of like an original idea. So in this video I'm going to um, just give a brief introduction to the idea that I have and collect some feedback. I'm not sure if this idea would get success or anything, but I just want to release something and build, right? So for the sake of for my inner peace I'm doing these things because um, the failure that I had with Swigzo had played with me for a lot of time. So I was not able to start any new project because as I was not able to do it. So but finally I got the hope to build a new project. Uh, so so let me explain you about the new project idea that I have. So I don't have any name or anything like that as of now. I just had the raw idea and want to just share with you. So consider this as like an uh, idea presentation with you. Um, so yeah, so let's start. So the idea is basically came from my experience, as like any idea would come from experience. This time around, probably this problem has faced by a lot of people like me who want to do things outside of the curriculum. The biggest issue that most of the students will have is writing the assignments, writing the records, and all those bullshit. Um, so my idea is to uh, I want to eliminate this thing. So I want to just create a platform where uh, people like me who don't like writing, uh, but who loves to code and who loves to type code instead of writing code. Yeah. Um, so the idea is to build a platform where so basically the flow would go something like this. This time around I'm going to build an app instead of a web app because I want to track the users and everything. So the flow would look something like this. We are going to build an app where each student can register and they can create communities inside the app. Something like uh, a community is nothing but a college or a school or something like that. Imagine we have three colleges: college A, college B, college C, where any user can come and just upload their college details and they can create communities. So whenever a new user opens the app, we will display all the communities. In this case, college A, college B, and college C. So any student, if he's studying in college A, he can join the community. If he's studying in college B, he can join in the community B. So idea is to display a feed inside each community, inside the app, where someone can post something like, "Hey, I have an assignment to submit in 2 days, and it consists of 10 pages. If there is anyone to help, maybe he will just send a message, and all the users in that community." in that college basically will get a notification like someone in your college has posted a requirement, basically like he wants to write this thing assignment. So if anyone is interested, they can simply like we'll keep an option something like bidding or something like that, or maybe give a flag button, or just to send a DM, so where anyone can help him. For helping him, um, you might ask anything, like you might ask money or you might ask anything else. So for this version I'm planning to keep money. So whenever the user applying for that, for example, say a user posted a notification like hey, I want this PDF to be converted into a text format as an assignment. This assignment consists of 10 pages. So basically he's asking to write an assignment of 10 pages. So where each user can say, for example, I want to help him and my price is 5 rupees a page, uh, 5 rupees per page. So which essentially 10 pages of 50 rupees. So essentially we can have a deal basically. So the main thing is both these people are in same college, right? So they can hand over it, the physical documents, I mean after writing the assignment. So the main idea of this app is to create that bridge between students of each college. So where like anyone can post I want this to be written, and anyone can help him and he can set his own price. He can keep even like 10 rupees a page, maybe even if he wants to get delivered it in a single day, maybe you can ask higher, maybe 10 rupees a page. If he wants maybe something like 3 to 4 days of time, you can, yeah. I think if you are interested to write, you can just apply him, and if the author also agrees, you both can talk. Like we'll give a DM section where you can chat, and you can also bargain. So essentially this is more like a mutual helping of website app, sorry. um, and each and the other thing is like there is a problem that I have in my, obviously there will be a lot of problems, but one problem I have in my mind is like what happens when some teacher installs the app and see. So I'm trying to solve this issue like to encrypt the users, which means whenever a user opens the app and creates an account, the original details of the user won't be displayed. Something like a random profile picture and a random name is displayed. So essentially the person who is asking and the person who is writing will be anonymous. So this is the main idea, because if the guy who posted if seen by any professor or anything, that would cause issues, right? So I'm trying to solve the issue by encrypting everything and displaying only like the random things. But they can chat, so which means they can share their personal information inside the chat, which can't be seen by anyone else apart from those two. So this is the idea I have, a very very raw idea, and still needs a lot of improvement and a lot of features, which in coming days I'm definitely going to implement. And yeah, basically that's it. So this is the rough idea, an app where each student can register from their college, and they can ask help to write assignments or records or anything. So this is the idea. Let me know what do you think. I'm sure I'm going to implement this, and I'm going to release this as well. Uh, this is more like a fun project, nothing like any startup or anything. But yeah, I'm thinking this idea has a lot of potential. Once if I'm able to spread it to a lot of institutions, this will help a lot of clever students, in my opinion. Um, so let me know what do you think. If you have any suggestions or anything, feel free to comment or just hit me up. I will try to implement and we can have a chat. That's it, guys. So from the next videos, I'm going to share more details on this, the implementation, the architecture, what are the tools, what are the platforms that I'm going to use for this. Have a great day.